The last thing I want us to think about in our broad, big theories and our big ideas of my work is that what does this look like in terms of community care, right? That relationality is this intervention into a selfish impulse of collecting. If we can have a relationship with not only the items in our collection, but the people and the wider communities that they're attached to, this enables us to provide better information literacy instruction. The mask that you see on the screen was created by Grand Parody. It's called Quill Apocalypse Now, and so it was put out as part of an art project during early days of COVID. You'll notice he's using both modern materials like the mesh, but also traditional materials like quills, so porcupine quills, and hide and sinew to create this mask to think about a dystopian approach or a post-apocalyptic approach. Now, what I want us to think about is, inspired by this kind of image and the work that I've been kind of focusing on, what does it look like to see a future of libraries and information that is dedicated to repair? That is dedicated to, for example, harm reduction. So we can rethink our roles as to collections as that of stewards of temporary homes as we work to enable that reconnection within these knowledge systems. It really is a harm reduction approach in the thinking about ourselves as not as selfish collectors, but as some people who are trying to enable kind of the resurgence of Indigenous knowledge systems.